Hey, all right, you made it to the first Friday of the first week of spelling. Here's the deal. Friday for spelling, those are test days. Those are test days. You can be tested on the Unit 1 words, the short vowel sounds and how well you know how to spell them. Just a little bit of review here. The short vowel sounds say eh, like an apple, eh as an elephant, eh as an insect or igloo, ah as an octopus or ox, and as an umbrella or up. Remember those short spellings? Those can help you when you're figuring out how to spell each word because the sound you hear comes out. This is exactly what your test looks like. It's in your paper packet for August 7th. Unit 1. Please notice you're getting 3 examples of how to spell step. Either S-T-E-P-P, S-T-E-P, or S-T-I-P. Now step, ep, can help you. That's a short E sound, so you know it's not C. I think you probably figured out that it is correctly B. And so there you need to make sure you circle in B fully. I'm going to give you examples of what not to do when you fill this out and what to do. And, well, you could just look at the sample. That'll help you out. But let me show you some examples of what not to do here, please. Let's do numbers 1 and 2 together here. The spelling head, or head. What I have had people do is do this. If they know that C is correct, they put an X through it. Please note that is not correct. Just like you see here, you got to fill in the circle. Please, please, please don't put an X. I've had some people just put a little tiny dot in there. That's not what I'm asking you to do. Fill in the circle. Or what I've had people do is like you have number 2, last. Well, B looks correct, so they do a little connect the dots here like so, and then have lines going all the way down here. Please don't do that. Please simply put, do as the directions show you. Fill in the circle completely. Look at this. If I can even do this with my mouse pad, you can do this as you do this. Fill it in. I wish I had a little bit better of a circle, but this mouse pad is not my favorite thing. But at least I can tell very clearly that for number 1, you want spelling, and for number 2, you want the B spelling. Your best to make it look just like the sample here. I guess I already gave you the first 2 answers to number 1 and 2. Your guys' job is to do the rest of this as a, please note, as a test. This should be done without your book. This is to test the knowledge you have up here in the head, how well you are following along throughout the week, how well you are learning your spelling words. So if you need a little bit more time, say you're really not prepared, that's okay. Put this paper test away. Open up to Unit 1 words, study them, and if you ask how do you study them, you just read them and spell them. Number 1 is mix, M-I-X. Mix, M-I-X. Number 2 is milk, M-I-L-K. M-I-L-K. And I wouldn't suggest just cramming right before you do the test, but that's what you should be doing throughout the entire week to learn these words, because every Friday, just like today, is going to be test day. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and weekend as you praise your Savior. Good luck on your test.